Hello everybody, welcome to Northwest Data Solutions overview of the new FAA SAS Profile Manager. This tool is for executives, compliance officers, and FAA inspectors who would like to easily manage only their relevant data collection tools, or DCTs, all in one convenient place. The FAA SAS Profile Manager automatically sifts through the over 750 DCTs for you. You can be prepared for FAA audits, know the requirements in advance, and have the answers ready in time for the audit. Your DCT documents will always remain up to date. Should any changes occur to a DCT that is relevant to your organization, you will automatically receive an email notification. Let's do a quick walkthrough of how to sign up, and then take a look at the FAA SAS Profile Manager itself. The first thing you will need to do is fill out the registration form. Enter in your first name, your last name, an email address, and make sure that the email address that you sign up with is a valid email address, as you will receive all future notifications via this email address. Choose a username for yourself. One tip here is to simply use your email as your username. It will be easy to remember and ensure that nobody else already has that username. And next, choose a password for yourself. Note that passwords must be at least 7 characters or more. Whichever username and password you choose, make sure that you write it down, or one that you can easily remember, as you will need to log in with these items momentarily. Furthermore, consultants with multiple clients will need different usernames for each client profile. When you are ready, click Register. You will be brought to the payment screen. Here you have two options. You can pay through your PayPal account if you have one, or if you do not have a PayPal account, you can pay as a guest. If you have a PayPal account, click Have a PayPal account, then log in, and then you can choose to pay with whatever means through your PayPal that you would like. If you would like to pay by credit card, click the Pay with a debit or credit card option, and then enter in your details. You will enter in your credit card number, the expiration date, the CSC, the first name and last name, address, city and state, as well as the zip code associated with the card. Then enter in your phone number and your email, and click Review and Continue, and then confirm your payment. Once you have finished paying, you will be taken to a success screen confirming that your payment went through successfully. Here, click Return to Northwest Data Solutions, and it may take just a few seconds for you to be directed back. Now that you're here, you can type in your username and password, and you will be logged into your account. The first screen you should see is My FAA SAS Profile, where you will have the option to select your certificate and peer group. If by chance you landed on the home screen, which looks like this, simply go up to My FAA SAS Profile, and you will have the option to select your certificate. Now it's important to note that you will only be able to select your certificate and peer group once. It cannot be undone. So select your certificate and then select your peer group. And when you are ready, click Save Certificate/Peer Group. After this, DCTs relevant to your certification will conveniently be organized below. Tools from all other certificates will not be shown. You have the option of filtering categories by checking or unchecking them at the top. If you would like to configure specific DCTs down below, you can do so by clicking on the Manage Profile button, and then unchecking the DCTs that you do not want to see. When you are ready, click Finish, and as you can see, those DCTs no longer appear. You have two ways of viewing DCTs. The first is you can click on the HTML view, which will take you to the FAA page that lists this DCT. The second option is to click the download symbol. Once you click this, the file will download to your computer. Lastly, you can receive email notifications when the FAA updates any of the tools. Note that you will only receive emails for DCTs that are currently listed in your profile. However, if you would not like to receive email updates for changes to any of the tools, then uncheck this box. The FAA SAS Profile is a fantastic tool for managing all of your data collection tools, saving you time, headache, and effort having to search through the FAA's website for the applicable items to your organization. For more information, please go to www.FAASASProfile.com. We have also provided a link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us, as we always appreciate feedback. Thank you for watching.